Hi, I'm Jeff Kuei. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kixie, and today I'm here to talk about AI and sales. I want to talk about 5 main topics. The thing you should take away is this first topic, which is AI is not an assistant. It is much more. Again, just to repeat, AI is not a tool, it's not an assistant, it is much more. It can orchestrate your entire sales workflow and your entire sales team and make everybody better. It can be your best assistant, your best sales reps, your best mentor, your best advisor, your best solution engineer if you use it correctly. The key with using AI, in my opinion, in sales is you're gonna get in what you get out. So you're gonna have to commit the cycles to be able to create the best prompts for your sales team. You have to review all the best prompts every week. You have to learn. Just like you would train a rep to ramp them up, you need to train your AI to ramp them up to be able to get max output and max efficiency from your team. That's one of the biggest things, if not the most important things, to really understand about AI and sales, that you have to treat it just like a junior worker when you start working with it. You can't expect magic from the start. Point 2 is AI is going to rebuild every part of your entire sales stack, from your BDR outbound team to your inbound AE team to your sales engineering team. They should be able to apply max leverage on each one of those positions, and each person should be 10x. All of the things that they did that was time consuming, for example, reading a bunch of emails or sending emails or crafting up objections or doing battle cards, maybe take days, now it could take minutes and hours. So all your best talent there should be able to just 10x all their outputs. The third thing is the future sales leaders, I think they're gonna be engineers, they're gonna be architects. What is an engineer? They are builders. So the future CROs of the world and the VP of sales, they're going to be building sales teams that are a combination of AI agents, bots, chatbots, and sales reps. And they're going to be all intertwined, working seamlessly hand in hand. I would consider them almost like a chief revenue engineer or something like that. A lot of times, people still think of engineering nowadays as computer programming, typing very specific code. But nowadays, with GPTs, engineering is simply using natural language. Myself or anybody out in sales could be developing apps nowadays. And that's the beauty with AI GPTs. Fourth, sales, I believe, is going to become more of the rote sales. The more transactional sales are going to be commoditized down. And what's going to happen is the human-to-human sales element is going to be that much more impactful. So when I think of these moments, think about, for example, you're planning your wedding. You want to talk to your event planner. You're not going to talk to an AI voice agent, guarantee you. Your future wife or husband will probably kill you at that point. You want to talk to your event planner. You want to talk to whoever she or he is and get them on the phone. Let's say you are about to close a job deal. You want to talk to the hiring manager. You're not going to want to talk to a voice agent. Let's say you're refinancing your house and you're on the last, you've got 8 hours to the deadline. You want to get your loan broker on the phone and make sure every single I is dotted and T is crossed. So I think that there's gonna be fewer and fewer calls and texts and emails and transactions between humans, but the ones that still occur be so much more meaningful, impactful, important. So I think it's all about humans leveraging AI to the max they can to be able to get the best experience. And the fifth one I will talk about is trust. The most important thing for AI to work with sales is that both the sales rep or the seller and the customer and the buyer must have trust in the system, in the AI, in the machine learning. Otherwise, things will just completely fall apart. So what does that mean? Initially, a system has to be able to just kind of dip the toes into the water. So maybe it's a co-pilot will say, oh, I suggest you to do this, John. You should send Jane a text message on this day, or you should send Jane an email. Do you want me to craft this up for you or craft an example up? Yes, no, let me edit. And then you can let the sales rep decide what to do. And then once trust is developed between the AI and the sales team or the sales rep, then at that point, it can take over more and more tasks. So I think about it in a way of it's almost when you're trying to do your 401k retirement planning, do you want to be super aggressive or super conservative? I still think of it the same way. It's one of those things that trust has to be earned between both the AI and the sales team. And that happens over time, through over multiple wins. So yeah. Those are the 5 main takeaways I believe there are with the AI and sales. AI is not here to replace the sales rep. It's here to make the sales reps 10 times better and just enable them with superpowers. Thanks.